Hello, how are you guys? Welcome to another video, and today's video we're gonna be try to explore how we can use our Google Drive as our web hosting server. So everyone know about Google Drive. It's a free limit of 15 gigabyte, I think. You can easily host a really good size website over there, and it's very easier than you think. Let's dive into it. So we are at the computer screen right now, and I will suggest you get a brand new Gmail account to host your website over there. So we're gonna be do the exactly same thing, and I think right now is the right time to mention that this way you only can host a static website. Means you need to have a hand code website. If you want to use any framework, right, WordPress or other things, you cannot do that things. There is a limitation over there. And here is our uh, website files in here. Like you can see all the HTML files over there. So you need to upload that to your drive. I already did that because I want to make the first enough the process. So this is the file, and we're just gonna be rename that. Let's say, give me an example, our domain name we just put in here. Okay, like this. So now right now we have to do one thing. We have to make it shareable links, share, and make sure it's anyone with the links. Okay, so you're done in here. Then you have to go to another website called Drive to Web. Make sure it's the same profile you are accessing the browser. Okay, so what I mean is have to be like the same profile. Okay, not in different profile. Is it better for you? Okay, so click in the first link, and we select the Gmail account, continue. Now we're gonna be allow. It's gonna be take a little bit of time, and the website done already. Now you can click on this link, the first links in here, and you will land on your home page. So before that, I just want to show you the home page in here look like this. This is from a local drive. See, this is a local drive link from my computer, and it just now host website in here. So it's going to be takes a little bit of time, first time reloading. So we have to keep a patient for that. So one thing you guys can notice in here, those are a bunch of links over there. There's no domain actually, like www.yourwebsitename.com, something like that. Because we are using hosting, we're not adding a custom domain over there. But if you want to add a custom domain, you also can do that things. For that details information, you can go to my website, my blog site actually, aeroer.blog. You go over there. I put a bunch of blogs over there about web development, web hosting. So you can click on the first blog, and over there I write it details how you can do that, how you can connect your custom domain and all. So our website link already prepared. This is actually from the link from the drive. You can see this is the link. You can see now it's going to be very fast. Again, I'll show you guys. This is the website link, about page. First time reloading will be take a little bit of time, but you can see all working perfectly. This website is a little bit of heavy, so I think it's going to take some time to be optimized in the drive, but yeah, that's how you easily can host your website in Drive. And also you can connect your custom domain, like I said, you can see the details in here. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and hope you guys learned something. That is the way I think a lot of people can send a preview link to their customer and things like that. But there's a more better way to do that things, to send a dev link to your client if you are a web developer. If you guys interested about that thing, let me know. I will make a video about that things. those also a free process. You don't have to pay anything for that. So hopefully you will like the video and get some information. Thank for watching, and see you on the next one.